Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, review, try on, hauls, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. Thank you so much for my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you for coming back and support me. So today's video is late and way overdue. I have been so busy. I have this box here for so long, and finally I got time to sit down and film this video. It's going to be our March Boxycharm, so we probably have one tomorrow, one after tomorrow. We have like 3 videos coming up, but better late than never, right? So Boxycharm, if you don't know what it is a monthly beauty box subscription. For $27 you get 5 full-size beauty products, from skincare to makeup, and they have other box too. I'm gonna have on the description of this video about all the other box, and I'm gonna have the link for Boxycharm if you decide to check them out. So let's dig into this box so this video gets so long. So the first product here that we're going to be trying is gonna be the Rare Beauty Always on Optimist Illuminating Primer, and I have to tell you, I was blown away by this primer. It looks so beautiful on the skin. That is the primer. It looks so pretty on the skin. When I used it first time, you can literally use this on its own, just forget you that beauty overall glow. It looks amazing. Or you can use on your makeup, or you can tap a little bit on the top of your foundation afterward to give you a little extra dewy glow look. I love to do that sometimes. It's one of my tricks. I forget to do skin. Love this cooling water-based gel primer that smooths, hydrate and illuminate the skin, preparing you for your makeup that looks and feel its best all day. Ultra fine pearls give the skin a soft lit from the within glow, and this beauty here retails for $26. Is a fabulous primer. I just have to say that. Love it. So moving on to our next product here is going to be Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. I love these. I have one of them right over there, and I use it all the time when my eyes are dry and needing a little hydration. I love these eye patches. They do a fabulous job. Marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, mineral, proteins and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around the eye, helps firm, soothe, plumps and brighten not like nothing else. If you are looking for a dewy, fresh looking peppers, use those ASP. And this beauty here retails for $49. Very amazing. Generation Skin, fabulous. So let's go move on to our next product here. Was one of my favorites from this box is Luxie Beauty Floral Brush Set. Soar into spring with a new brush set featuring 4 new brushes: 219 eyeliner brush, 205 tapered blending brush, 213 eye shading brush, and 211 concealer brush, a detail blender sponge, and a pastel purple pouch. This beauty here retails for $40 from Luxie. Oh my god, they are so beautiful, and they are dirty because I used it for creating this look, so it's really nice. I love the color. That's like a almost a Tiffany green. It's just so beautiful, so spring, so pretty, and the brushes are super soft, super nice. I am a big fan of Luxie brush, so this was a nice addition to the family. So let's move to the next product. Here is gonna be Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. Oh, I love this mask. You guys know that I'm like a skincare nut. Yes, I am. And this mask, it's so good. I already used like 3 times. I told you guys I have the box here for a long time, and I opened them. Yes. And the skin looks so beautiful, so bright after you use. I love this. This is an active brightening vitamin C mask that's multitask, natural and cruelty-free. It's packed with vitamin C rich kakadu plum, reveals your brightness, clears skin to dissolve your top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin with papaya and pineapple extract, along with acid glycolic and salicylic acid. A sophisticated formula. It got more than one move. Use with the vitamin C for acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. Wow, nice. So you can use this for help you with hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. You don't need that overpriced serum or that beauty filler. Okay, I believe you. Only $19.95. So good. You do so much with skin for a very good affordable price. Skincare doesn't have to break the bank. There is some good brands that also have a good effective product for a good price. So cheers to this. Love it. And this is what the bottle look out of the box. Alright, so let's move to our next product. Last but not least is this eyeliner. Liner your lashes with rich color that stay true throughout wear with its lightweight, non-smearing formula. This beauty here retails for $20 and it is from Conrad Beauty. So very nice. Love it. And this was all for March Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoy. I see you guys soon for Boxycharm Premium, and this month we do have Boxycharm too, so get excited because it's coming very soon, probably tomorrow and then another one after tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy the product. I see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.